Okay, so episode 3. First thing I do when we're at this point is to actually split the whole body. Everything we do from now on will just mirror at the end. So we will do a sketch on the top plane. Call it 105. Oh, what happened? 105. There we go. So exit and split, cut the part, cut that part, consume, tick. Hide that sketch. Okay, actually a couple of things I just want to check up on. You'll see I put a correction in on that bib build on episode 2. So see how it's blind. We actually want to make that mid-plane. So if I Control Z and then put it back, Control Y, yeah, that's where it should be. And the other thing I was just going to mention quickly is organizing our tree items over here. So we'll grab these ones and add them to a new folder, which is bib build. Rename all these. Okay, so when I draw my eyes, I prefer to draw it on its own plane, and what I like to do is create that plane pretty well parallel to this line here. So we'll start with a reference sketch on the top plane. Put some dimensions on this to fully define it. This is 10 degrees. So see that 10 degrees makes it pretty well parallel with this curve here. And we want it just off. So 3 puts it pretty well perfect. What have I done here? Trim that. So one more dimension just to make sure it's fully defined. And that's it. So again, we'll exit and come over to a reference geometry plane. So the first reference will be the top plane, second reference, the line we've just created. And you can see that plane is where we want it. So we'll go with that one. And we'll hide the sketch and hide the plane. And new sketch on the new plane. Circle. Just some dimensions. So this is going to be a 6mm eye. The eye that you'll end up putting in here will be a 6mm eye. It's 0.8. So that's it. That's where we want our eye. Now we can extrude that. So we exit. Now go up to surface, this surface, tick, So we'll put the fillet on here. This is like a face fillet. So select face fillet, and we want this face and this face. Oh. Delete this face here. And we just want to hold the line, which is this line. And that's it. Give that one a tick. There we go. Now, we want to turn, actually we need to see this sketch because we want that center point of that circle, and we want to start a sketch on this plane directly. And we're going to go dimension 6.5, which will fit snugly 6mm eye. Exit that sketch, turn that sketch back off. But we will now just cut this one. 0.8. So now we've got that, and just a couple more fillets. Back to just the normal fillet. 0.5 on the outside, and that one there. Actually, no, that's not right. Go with that, and then another fillet, and we'll go 0.2. We go this one and that one. There we go. That's our eye. So thanks for watching, and in the next one we'll be doing the eyelet cutouts. See ya.